Alright guys, today we're picking up some tools, more tools for the shop. About to go through a tall bridge over here. This thing's so tall, feels like we're going on a roller coaster. Oh no. Let's get it. I'm going through the water. Hell yeah. Driving on a tunnel underwater, so hold your breath, guys. Hold your breath. Yeah, I see the end of the tunnel. All right, so we just pulled up, about to get these lifts. My man's got a ZR1. The guy's selling us the lift. We're getting a lift, guys, so spoiler alert. Another lift for the shop. But look at this thing. ZR1. So sick. This is one of my dream cars.
I'll show you my other. I have another C6 in here.
Oh, yeah? Dropping the gate. And we're going to be putting the lifts on the trailer. Not bending them, right? I don't know. Go and load them up.
Do you care where it is? I mean, I'm gonna try to center it.
Yeah, as much as you can in the center.
But I'm gonna have to, because it's so far up there and I don't want to drive on this, I'm gonna have to like push it.
That's fine.
So.
Perfect. Yeah, right there.
It's gonna be a little bit. There's no way to.
All right.
You're probably gonna have to like pull on.
Do you want me to get a hand cart on the bottom? I have a hand cart.
It's not. It should be easy to pull on when I'm pushing it with this.
Okay.
But
Let's go.
no, it's gonna take him the way.
Hand cart, John. Got the hand cart, came in handy.
Alright, how much more fork do I have? Not much?
You got about.
You have up to here, where my hand is.
But I hope you pull them out here.
Put it, how about put it,
If you put it down, can we get on this? Push it.
see what
I mean,
happens.
I can like push it a little bit more. Let me.
Do you want to put one fork right here?
So I'm gonna put it like here. What I did before.
Like if you open up the fork and get it on the outside and back.
Well, I have to be able to lift while I do it. So I got it.
You got, you know.
I'm not forklift certified, but it's close.
It's going by itself now.
That's about as much as I mean, if you want me to help you pull it more, I'm happy to.
We'll push it.
Yeah, I'll pull on this. You give me the push.
Let's go. All right. Nah, it's fine outside. Hey, I don't think it's gonna rain. We got the lift up, it's all tied down. Let's go home and we just helped somebody that got stuck. Nobody gets up or nothing. They're trying to get by, but it's crazy, bro, right? Little pump. Woo! Let's get it. Almost got that lift home. That was the workout of the day. All right, we made it home safe. Got a dealership up out here. We got the lift here now. Just gonna move some cars around and unload this thing. Let's get it. All right, so now we're gonna be taking these cars out real quick so that we can get the lift in here. So let's get it. All right, first car I'm gonna start up real quick and take out is the Lexus GS 300 with the 2J swamp. So let's start this thing up. Cold start up. Starts right up. Quiet. So it's pretty much a sleeper, you know. So this is going in there once I put the other lift in here. So let's get it. All right, let's take it out. Right here in the front, we good?
Good in the front. But you're close to this.
Ponlo, ponlo allá donde estaba la troca, allá enfrente de los... Hell yeah. Just moved the truck out of here, so now we're gonna come in and take the other lift down. Let's get it. All right. So, move the cars over here. Now we're gonna move the lift in there. Toyotas. All right, we're gonna see.
Now this trailer does fit.
It should. If it, you're gonna see. We're gonna find out today. Let's go. All right, so.
Maybe we can get it up high.
Yeah, we'll take. Mira, once I get closer,
Yeah.
put these all the way up. Actually,
Yeah. Put that up.
just put these all the way up. Huh? You think that's good? Ya que se venga acá, right? When it comes this way, drop the gates. We should drop the gates. They should slide on here. We should put some cardboard box at the bottom. And then, you know what I mean? Shoot. All right, so then I should just hit it. Hit it, go over it, and then at least the tire.
And then we're in the middle.
And then move that over here so we just in case. Or move it that way. Green. Para acá, muévelo, mira. Oh, no. Para acá. All right, so now we're going to try to somehow grab this. Con eso hay que jalarlo más para allá. Con esa cosa. Uh-huh. So we're going to move it up forward a little bit. And then after that, we're going to lift it off with this. And then we're going to exit out with the trailer. That's the game plan. All right, so what we're doing, we're going to use a lift to unload the lift. So, ready, going up. We should tie it down because it's lifting up from here and the weight's like over there. Huh? It's moving, right? I'm getting there, good. This one actually lifting it up. So it's only grabbed by 3. This one has contact, so this thing's not leveled. This lift's not
A
leveled.
little bit. Can we?
Nah, we can just go forward and bring the thing down.
This is moving a little bit.
Huh?
You don't hear the rap?
It's just a wrap. It's not gonna fall. Trust me. It's on there, dude. Look, we're on there. All right, now I'm just going to move forward, and we should be able to get that out. All right, so got these things on the lift. Now let's bring her down and you know, set her up on that side. Let's get it. She's coming down. Just hold her from the front just in case. Que no se vaya a slip. I don't think so. Everything looking good. Let's go. And now we can take these off and get the show on the road. All right, we're gonna wrap this thing. All right, so when you unwrap it, all this stuff comes in here. I got a hose that was in there, and then the arms, and then the anchors for the lift. Everything's a little wet because they were outside, but everything's packaged. So we're installing it right away. We're not playing games. So let's get it. So we got the lift up. Well, not yet, but we still got to run power to it. I don't know if I should just run the same power from this one to this one, but then use one at a time. You know what I'm saying? So I don't waste cable and stuff. Just run a wire from there to here. Or split it from somewhere. From out there, do a block there, and then split it from there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, she's up, and she's gonna be working soon. Let's get it. All right. All right, we're leveling it now. It's all leveled, and we're gonna torque it down to 110 foot-pounds. So let's get it. Do a crisscross too. So that one, and then the one in the back over there.
On the back corner.
Uh-huh, and then. All right, so you gotta evenly have these tied the same way. You can just feel the tension on them. You know, they have to be about the same tension. So just feel both of them and just go by feel. That's what I did. So now we're going to put the hoses on, put the pump on, and hook it up with some electricity and see if it works. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we got a package, and we're gonna be opening it right now to see what we have. Is it for that car or is it for this car? Stay tuned. Let's get it. It's crazy how they made this box. It's cool. It's wooden and then that's really smart. So if you guys want to learn from these people how to pack it. Here you guys have it. It's a Redux replica for stock bumpers, pretty much. So I'll take that broken. This car came with a broken front lip. The guy said that they dropped it or something on the lift, and they crushed the bottom too. If you guys can see it, they crushed underneath there. So I have to straighten all that up. It's a Supra. We're gonna just hook her up. That's why it's in good hands. And that's why it's not in bad hands. So let's get it. Put this thing on, make it fresh. Just running some wires for the lift. Supra. This is where the Supra's gonna be residing, on top of this lift. Got all this apart right now. I still have to put new studs in that. But yeah, we're gonna have a lift soon. All right, so we're installing the lift. This is where the Supra's gonna reside. We're about to climb this ladder and try to run this wire over here somehow. I ran it already this way, and we're gonna tap into that connector I put there. So let's get it. All right, so we got the lift working, and we're gonna start with the Supra first mod on the lift. Gonna replace this cracked front lip. Got the lip off. This thing looks so plain without it. Thing was all messed up. So now let's put the carbon one on. See how it looks. There you have it. The Redux front lip. It's pretty good.